Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be exploring one of the most fascinating creatures of the sea, the crab. These crustaceans are known for their unique appearance and are popular in seafood dishes around the world. But there is so much more to them than meets the eye. Join me as we discover some lesser-known facts about crabs that will amaze you. Crabs can regenerate their limbs. Did you know that if a crab loses a limb, it can grow it back? This amazing ability is due to their incredible regenerative powers. This means that if a crab loses one of its claws, it will eventually grow back. In some cases, crabs can even grow back their legs. Crabs have their own language. Crabs are social creatures and communicate with each other through a variety of sounds. These sounds are made by the claws, which they rub together to create different tones. Some of these sounds are used to attract a mate, while others are used to defend their territory. Crabs can breathe underwater and on land. Most people assume that crabs can only survive underwater, but they can actually breathe on land as well. This is because they have modified gills that allow them to extract oxygen from the air. However, they still need to keep their gills moist to survive on land. Crabs have an excellent sense of smell. Crabs have a highly developed sense of smell and can detect odors from great distances. They use this sense to find food, avoid predators, and even find a mate. Crabs shed their shells. As crabs grow, their shells become too small, and they need to shed them in a process called molting. During this process, the crab's old shell cracks open, and the crab crawls out, leaving behind a soft, vulnerable body. The crab then grows a new, larger shell, which eventually hardens. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new and interesting about these incredible creatures. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.